All right, now let me just recap about this again. Relationship between here and here is what I'm going to disconnect now. Let me take it away. Now, this is direct online setup, right? And this is the branch circuit we just created for the reverse operation to close this contactor. Just for us to close this contactor, that is why we have this branch here. So what we have here is what we replicate here. So let's finish with this. You know this about direct online. You know this setup already. So because we have closed circuit from here to this point, upon closing here, from here to here is closed. So I have no other need of going to my source of supply to take a different parallel line to feed this because of this. So I can easily take it from here. So that is what we did. So you take from here and feed here. And now repeat what you have here so that it can control through contactor. The whole of this portion is for controlling this. Then this one is for controlling this. So that's the relationship between these two. So it's not as complex as you think. So what we are going to do now is to simulate this to use for us to control this. Every other thing remain the same. All the safety devices here remain the same. Emergency remain the same. Um, Voltage monitors to phase sequence remain the same. When we are done with this simulation, we'll now begin to add other features like signaling lamp and all the rest. So, but let's just simulate this. I put on my power circuit. I put on control. Now, let me on this one. Let me put on this. I close here. There's a fault here. Wash my hand. Wash this arrow here. I close. I rotate. I off my hand. It disconnect. This is strictly what we call retainer fault. This is a lashing fault. So let's try this one. Yes, this one is working. Look at the direction. This one closed. It's giving me counterclock operation. So this one closed. Yeah, this one is working. But this one is not working. Reverse operation is working, but forward is not working. Right? Look at it. It's working, but this one is not working. So this is a retainer fault. Pay a very good attention. So let's carry out a troubleshooting. Right? How do we troubleshoot on this? Let me use another video to do this troubleshooting because it's very, very essential. This is what is happening in the industry almost every week. I know why I say every week. Almost every week, this retainer problem does happen. So let's carry out the troubleshooting. This is software troubleshooting, but it's applicable to live exercise troubleshooting. When the hardware fail due to retainer, that is when your control panel fail, the same way you troubleshoot on this software is the same thing you are doing. Just listen to my approach. Watch my approach and listen to my voice. The troubleshooting approach I will adopt here is what you adopt when you are doing the hardware troubleshooting. Please pay attention, right? So let's start.